Yes, dear students, once again, very good morning to all of you. Students, in the previous chapter, uh, the chapter of nouns, I have told you the definition of noun. Okay, and in chapter number 8, we will do its types, common and proper noun. Okay, let me tell you the definition again. Definition of nouns. Name of person, place, thing or animal. We have done this definition earlier also. Now, the types of nouns. First is common nouns. A noun that gives a common name or you can say general name to persons, places, animals or things. Again, I am repeating the definition. Listen very carefully. A noun that gives a common name to persons, places, animals, or things is called common noun. For example, girl. No particular name is given to a girl. Girl may be any. Next, uncle. No particular name is given. Like that, school. No particular or specific name is given to the school. Newspaper may be any. River, mountains. No particular names are given to these persons, places, things. Okay. These are the general category. Okay. Next, proper nouns. A noun that gives a special name to a particular person, place, thing, or animal. Okay. A noun that gives a special name to particular person, place, thing, or animal. What is the difference between these two types of noun, common and proper? In common noun, a noun gives common name to person, place, animal, or thing. But in proper noun, a noun that gives a special name to particular person or thing. For example, like in common nouns, I have given first example girl. No particular name is given to the girl, but in proper noun, I have written here Sneha. Particular name is given to a girl. Okay, so this is a proper noun. Second example I have given in noun is uncle. But in proper noun, I have written here Mr. Sharma. Particular name or caste is there. Next, school. In common nouns, third example is school. And in proper noun, I have given the particular name of that school, the Century School. Next is newspaper. Newspaper is a common noun. Newspaper may be any newspaper. But in proper noun, I have written the name of that newspaper, the Tribune. You may write any other name also. All the names of the newspapers, they are proper nouns like Punjab Kesari, Amar Ujala. Okay. Next, I have given example of a river in common noun. But in proper noun, I have written here the name of particular river, Ganga. Again, I have given example in common noun, mountain. But in proper noun, I have written here the name of the mountain, Himalaya. Okay, so these are the proper nouns. A noun that gives a special name to particular person, thing, place, or animal. They are proper nouns. And note, always keep in your mind, dear students, that a proper noun always starts with a capital letter. You can observe. First example was Sneha. First letter is capital, then Mr. Sharma. First letter is capital, then the Century School, TCS. These are capital letters. Then the Tribune, T and T. Both are capital. Then Ganga, G is capital. Himalaya, H is capital. That means a proper noun always starts with a capital
Hello.
letter. Next is,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes,
I'm sorry to
yes,
interrupt you, but ma'am, Riya की तबीयत बहुत ज़्यादा खराब होती जा रही है. She have to leave the class.
no problem is there. Take care.
Yes, ma'am. और जब ठीक होगी ना तभी attend कर पाएगी मैम क्लास को.
No problem, no problem. Don't worry. She will be fine very soon.
Yes, ma'am.
Take
Thank you
care.
so much.
Yes, dear students. Third is collective noun. A collective noun is the name of a collection, or you can say group of persons or things taken together. Okay, a collective noun is the name of collection, or we can say the group of persons or things taken together. For example, crowd. Crowd is a collective noun which we use for collection of people. Again, family, collection of members. Team, collection of players. Bunch, group of bananas, group of keys, group of grapes. Okay. Yes, dear students. If you want to ask something, you can raise your hand. Otherwise, I am going to start our chapter number 8 in grammar book. Is there any query you can ask? You can raise your hand. Yes, Saksham. Saksham, unmute yourself. Saksham. Pritish.
तुम्हारा समझा दो लास्ट वाला.
Yes. Collective noun.
यस मैम.
Okay. Yes, collective noun means the collection of persons or things. The word we use for the collection of or group of persons or things. Okay, like if we talk about a student, is a noun, common noun, but the students together make a class. Okay, so collective class is a collective noun for the group of students. And if I talk about a player, player is a common noun. But if we talk about group of players, then we use the word team for them. Here, team is a collective noun. Okay, is it clear?
यस मैम.
Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else? Yes, Aditi?
यस मैम. मैम कॉमन नाउन्स.
Common nouns are the common names to the person places, like girl. No particular name is given to a girl. Only girl is written here. Girl is representing a category. No particular name is given, like boy, uncle. No specific names are given to the persons or things, like school. Which school? We don't know. But in proper noun, I have written the Century School. Now I know that we are talking about the Century School. Okay, like newspaper, newspaper may be any newspaper. But in proper noun, I have written the name. That means it is particular. We are talking about the newspaper, The Tribune. Okay, like river, river may be any river. Okay, no particular name is given to that river. Is it clear, Aditi?
यस मैम. मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes, Sakshi. Yes, Pritish.
जो कैपिटल में होते हैं वो proper noun होते हैं.
Proper nouns are always start with capital letter. Always.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
May I start chapter number 8?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes,
May I
ma'am.
start?
Yes,
Okay. Yes, dear students, I have explained you the definition of common and proper nouns. Okay, common nouns are the names given to person, animal, places, or things which are of the same kind. Means they are representing the general category. Proper nouns are the special names given to the persons, animals, okay, places, or things. Like some examples are given here in part B, men and woman. Men and woman are the common nouns, but Dhyan Chand, P.T. Usha. Now, particular names are given to these men and women. So, Dhyan Chand and P.T. Usha, these are proper nouns. Like these towns and cities, towns may be any, city may be any, but particular name now given Mathura, Chennai. Now, Mathura is a proper noun, Chennai is a proper noun. Countries. Which country? We don't know, but we have converted into proper noun by writing here France, New Zealand. Now these are the names of the particular countries. They are proper nouns. Like these examples of rivers, buildings, days and months, all the days of the week and months are proper nouns. Always keep in mind, dear students, that all the days of the week and months of the year, they are proper nouns. Like special days, Independence Day, Environment Day, they are also proper nouns. Festivals are proper nouns. Newspapers. If the name of the newspaper is given, then it is proper noun, like the Times of India, Hindustan Times. Next, books. Book is a common noun, but if the name is given to that book, Jungle Book, Gulliver's Travels, these are proper nouns. Last, goods. Goods means things. Samsung, Parker, particular company is given as Samsung and Parker. So these are proper nouns. And proper nouns always begin with a capital letter. Yes, dear students. Underline the common nouns and circle the proper nouns. First is, the schools in our state remains closed in May and June. Who will do this? Pritish, yes. The schools in our state remain closed in May and June.
School common noun है. May and
Yes,
June
yes, very good.
proper noun है.
Very good. And one more common noun is there. One more common noun is there. State. State is the name of a place.
Okay, ma'am.
So this is a common noun. Very good. Next one. Both Diwali and Christmas will be on a Sunday. Both Diwali and Christmas will be on a Sunday. Harpreet. Harpreet. Find out the common and proper nouns in second sentence. Both Diwali and Christmas will be on a Sunday.
Ma'am, Diwali proper noun.
Yes.
Christmas
Very good.
proper noun.
Very good.
Proper noun. Sunday भी है.
And Sunday is also a proper noun. I have told you earlier also. Days of week and months of years, they are always proper nouns. Very good. Third one. The ant is a very hard working insect. Yes. Shaurya. Kanish, mute yourself.
Yes,
Kanish,
ma'am.
mute yourself. Yes, Shaurya. The ant is a very hard working insect. Find out common noun and proper noun.
Ma'am, proper noun.
Ant is a proper noun? No, it's a common noun.
Common noun.
Yes, yes. And one more.
Ma'am, hardworking.
No, no,
is
no. Hard working
common
is not a noun.
insects is common noun.
Very good. Ant and insect both are common nouns in this sentence. Very good. Next one. I am fond of reading books. My favorite author is Enid Blyton. I am fond of reading books. My favorite author is Enid Blyton. Yes, Yashvi,
Yes, ma'am.
find out common and proper
Ma'am,
nouns
book common
in fourth sentence. Very good. And my favorite author is Enid Blyton. Is there any noun?
Ma'am,
Yes, yes.
ma'am, no.
No noun is there. My favorite author is Enid Blyton.
Ma'am, author noun.
Author is a noun. Common or proper?
Ma'am, common.
Yes. And author's name is also given here. Enid Blyton. Enid Blyton is the name of the author. So
Ma'am,
this is author is a common noun, but Enid Blyton is the name of that author. So Enid Blyton is a proper noun. Okay.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Next, fifth one. Mr.
Excuse me,
Narlikar
ma'am.
went to. Yes, who is there?
मैम जो फोर्थ वाला है उसके पीछे वाला वर्ड है उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
Yes, please repeat your question.
मैम जो फोर्थ लाइन में क्वेश्चन लास्ट वाला क्वेश्चन है उसको क्या बोलते हैं?
In fourth sentence,
ब्लाइटन को.
I am for Blyton. This is the name of the author, writer. Enid Blyton is the name of the author.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Yes. Yes. Fifth sentence is Mr. Narlikar went to Mumbai by the Rajdhani Express. Mr. Narlikar went to Mumbai by the Rajdhani Express. Yes, Shreya Das.
Yes, ma'am.
Find out common and proper nouns. In fifth sentence, Narlikar. Yes, yes.
Narlikar is proper noun.
Very good.
Mumbai is proper noun and Rajdhani Express is proper noun.
Very good. Very good. Next, I regularly watch the serial produced by Shyam Benegal on Doordarshan. I regularly watch the serial produced by Shyam Benegal on Doordarshan. Yes. Tanisha,
Ma'am,
find out the common and proper nouns.
ma'am, she is common noun.
Yes.
Shyam Bengal proper
Yes,
noun.
yes. Very good.
Doordarshan proper noun.
Very good. Very good. Next is seventh. The Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean, and the Arabian Sea meet at Kanyakumari. The Bay of Bengal, the Indian Ocean, and the Arabian Sea meet at Kanyakumari. Very good. Harshita Sharma.
Ma'am,
क्या मैम?
Yes.
ma'am.
Find out
Ma'am?
common and proper nouns.
मैम मैं बताऊं, स्क्रीन दिख रही है?
मैम,
No,
स्क्रीन आउट
no.
बताऊं?
मैम
Harshita,
मैम बंगाल
yes,
मैम
yes.
बंगाल बंगाल proper noun.
Bay of Bengal. The complete name is Bay of Bengal. Okay.
Indian Ocean proper noun.
Yes, yes.
Arabian Sea proper noun.
Very good,
और कन्याकुमारी भी proper noun.
very good, very good. Next, eighth one. Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, is an important historical city. Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh, is an important historical city. Yes, Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Find out common and proper nouns in eighth sentence.
Okay, ma'am.
Lucknow, the
Ma'am.
capital of Uttar Pradesh. Yes,
Ma'am, city is a common noun.
yes,
Lucknow is a proper noun.
yes.
Uttar Pradesh is a proper noun.
Very good. One more noun is there.
Historic
One more noun is there. No, no, no. Capital.
capital.
Capital is a common noun. Okay.
Yes.
Next, father took me to the market to buy some toys. Father took me to the market to buy some toys. Yes, whose turn is left? Kanishk. Kanishk. Yes. Ninth sentence. Father took me to the market to buy some toys.
मैम फादर कॉमन नाउन है.
Yes, yes.
मैम मार्केट भी कॉमन नाउन है.
Very good.
मैम टॉयज भी कॉमन नाउन है.
Very good. Very good. Next one. We saw some strange animals in the zoo. We saw some strange animals in the zoo. Anmol Rana.
Yes, ma'am.
We saw some strange animals in the zoo. Find out common or proper nouns in this sentence.
हम जो कॉमन नाउन है मैम
Yes. Animal?
मैम कॉमन नाउन.
Yes. Animals and zoo both are common nouns. Very good. Good response. Next. D part. Solve the crossword puzzle with the help of the clues given below. Some clues are given across and down. Okay. All the words you formed are proper nouns. First of all, look at the clues, across clues. Third one, a sacred book of the Hindus. Sacred means holy book. A sacred book of Hindus. Third, across. We are doing third one. I am going to mark this one. Okay. Who will tell me the name of the sacred book of Hindus? Yes. Who has given the answer?
मैम दीपेश.
Yes, very good. But next time, wait for your turn. Okay, good. Your answer is correct. Yes, the sacred book of the Hindus is Gita. Fourth one, a popular cartoon character. A popular cartoon character. Now we are doing this one. Who will do this? Yes, Yashvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Popular cartoon character.
Ma'am P
Yes,
O
yes,
K.
yes.
Ma'am
Good effort. Try. P-O-K.
Ma'am, I tell.
Anirudh, what are you doing? Yes,
Ma'am, P-O-K.
yes. Anyone else? Tanisha,
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, मैं
tell me
बताऊं?
the
P-O-K.
Tanisha's turn. Yes, yes.
E-M-O-N.
Very good. Pokemon. Yes, Khushi, now it's your turn. Fifth one, Subhash Chandra Bose is popularly known as. Now we are doing this one. Subhash Chandra Bose is popularly known as blank. Yes, Khushi?
Mehtaji. Sorry, ma'am.
Yes. What is the spelling? What is the spelling?
N-A.
N-E.
अच्छा, sorry, ma'am. N-E-T-A-G.
Yes. Yes.
I.
J.
और
J-I. Yes. Netaji. J-I. I is already given in the book. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Next one. The largest river in the northeast. Now we are doing this one. The largest river in the northeast. Yes. Who will tell me? Rihanna.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Do you know the answer? The largest
ma'am.
river in the northeast. Name that river.
Ma'am, Brahmaputra.
Yes, Brahmaputra. Very nice. Next, a popular hill station in the south. Now we are doing this one. I'm going to mark this one. We are doing a popular hill station in the south. Now it's Prakshal. It's your turn. Prakshal, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know the answer? A
Ma'am,
popular
no.
hill station in the south.
Ma'am, no.
Listen carefully. Anyone else? Aradhya, do you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Who will answer that question? Tanisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Popular hill station in the south?
G-L.
Ma'am, O double
Tanisha?
O
Yes.
T-Y.
Yes. Ooty. Very good. And ninth one, a harvest festival of Tamil Nadu. A harvest festival of
Ma'am,
Tamil
I
Nadu.
tell.
Now we are doing.
Ma'am, I tell.
Who is there? Yes, Kanish.
Ma'am, I
Kanish.
tell.
Yes, Kanish.
Ma'am.
My turn.
Yes, Kanish.
P-O-N-G-L.
Yes, Pongal. Very good. Next, downwards. The clues are given. Yes, first one is one of the names of the Lord Buddha. We are doing this one downwards. Okay.
Ma'am, मैं बताऊं?
One of the names. Yes, Dipesh.
Ma'am, G-A-U.
Yes.
M.
A.
Gautam.
A-M-A. Yes, very good. Very good. Second is a state in South India famous for boat races. A state in South India famous for boat races. Yes. Dharya. Do you know the answer? Dharya? Neerav? Neerav? Neerav?
Yes,
Do
ma'am.
you know the answer?
No, ma'am.
Akshit Goyal?
मैम मैं बताऊं
Who's there? Yes, Dipesh?
मैम केरला
Yes, very good. Kerala. Kerala state in South India famous for boat races. We have done this one. Next, sixth, the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Now we are doing this one. The capital of Madhya Pradesh. Only raise your hand. Yes, Neerav. Neerav.
Ma'am,
Neerav,
Bhopal.
capital of. Yes, very good. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh. Next, last one. The language spoken in Andhra Pradesh. The language spoken in Andhra Pradesh. Pritish,
मैम तेलुगु तेलुगु
spelling of Telugu. Spelling.
TELUGU
Very good. Yes, dear students. Today your response was very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
And yes, dear students. Students, you have to complete this chapter in your book. Tomorrow we will do chapter number 9, collective nouns. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So be ready for that also, because I have explained you the definition of collective noun also.
Okay, ma'am.
Try to fill that for the parts of that particular chapter, B, C and D parts yourself. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Is there any query?
No,
No, ma'am.
Everything is clear?
no, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No doubt is there?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes? Is there any doubt? Tanishq, Aradhya, Tanisha, Yashvi, Saksham. Mute yourself, everybody. Mute yourself, everybody.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
मैम
Yes.
मेरे फोन में PDF ओपन नहीं होती अब